Hello, this is Linda Bradley with Princess House with another incredible package for you. You'll definitely want to stay tuned to this one. So if you know Princess House, you know that we are known for our products that are innovative and practical and help you with everyday chores in your kitchen. And these two are the biggest workhorses in our book right now. This is our stand mixer and this is our high power blender. They are the most popular items, the most expensive items. They do the most work, but I have an incredible offer that you must stay tuned for. So I'm going to start with the high power blender. We've had this in the line for about 2 years now. It's an incredible item and it works so well for so many things that you use. It has 3 buttons that are already pre-programmed. One is for smoothies. Obviously everybody wants to do smoothies. It does have 6 blades and they're stainless steel. This is 68 ounces. And it is so strong that you don't even have to cut your fruits. You can just put them in her hole and it pulverizes them. It has one that's for dips, so you can make, and I have made, homemade pesto, homemade hummus, homemade nut butter. I did sunflower butter and cashew butter. So good. It also comes with, this is called a tamper, so that the top actually comes off, and if you need to mix it, things that are thick and sticky, you want to do that, but the tamper will not hit the blades. So it's a very safe way to do it. And then the third pre-programmed little thing here is for hot soup. Like, it's amazing. In 7 minutes, you'll make hot soup. I made broccoli cauliflower soup. I made tomato basil soup. It's crazy. And then, of course, there's also just the regular dial that you can put it at whatever speed you want. I know that some of my people use this to make the pozole. There's so many different reasons for you to have a high power blender. And this is an amazing one. It's 1,500 watts. It sells in the book for $549.95, and it's the #1 seller in a book. It's crazy. Our company sells more blenders than Walmart. It doesn't even make sense, but we do. But don't even think about that price at all, because I'm going to blow it out of the water. It's on sale right now for $429 plus tax and shipping. Ignore that price too, all right? The second item that I want to show you is the stand mixer. This one is new this year. We've been waiting for this and we're very excited about it. It does come with 3 different blades. So you have your mixing blade. This is for whipping, right? So you want to do it like for your homemade whipped toppings and things like that, meringues. And then this is a dough hook, which is really nice for homemade pizza or any kind of dough. I like the fact that the bowl itself is 7 quarts. So it's a nice big bowl, but it's light. Even though it's stainless steel, it's not very heavy, because what you put in here can get heavy. So you can make 13 dozen cookies, 4 loaves of banana bread at the same time, 5 pounds of meat, because I'm going to tell you that a mixer is way more than just for baking. I use it to mix my meatballs, to mix my meat loaf, then my hands don't get all yucky. You can use it for if you make regatta, a cheese, right? Lasagna, baked ziti. I mix my cheeses in here. I use it for so much. And I also love that the bowl has a handle. So you can also see one of the other things that's really cool about this piece is it does have, I'm trying to lock it in, but if I'm not looking at it, I'm not doing it right. I don't know if you can see this. It comes off, but I can't do it because the hook is on here right now. This is a plastic splash guard so that when you are using it, right, you're just going to put it down on the top. This way it fits right over top of it, and especially for things like baking flour, your flour doesn't come up. Do you ever have that happen? It definitely happened to me. It has a little hole right in here, so if you need to add more ingredients, it tells you to mix and then add more ingredients. You can do it right here, and then it has all the speeds. It's pretty cool too, because on the bottom it has 6 suction cups, so that when you put it down on your counter, it stays still. So this is also in the book, same price, $549. This is on sale right now for $399. Ignore that. That's plus tax and plus shipping, which can really add a lot to it. Here's my deal. Are you ready? So @1, this is a Linda Bradley special. This is not a company special. You need to come through me. You can reach me at thelindabradley@gmail.com. That is my address that you can reach me or message me. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I'm everywhere. So here's my offer. Are you ready? You can take these, either one of them, for 10 easy payments of $38.50. That's it. And then it will be delivered to you when it is paid in full. That price includes shipping, includes tax. It's the lowest price I've ever been able to offer. It's a limited time only, and it's going to save you over $300. So if you want to pay it in full, you can. It's $385. It includes tax, it includes shipping, and it'll come right to you. Just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com. It is a limited time offer. There are some really great specials that I'm doing with this. Now, if you want two of them, right? If you want a blender and a mixer, we can do the same thing. But I do have some special offers. If you buy multiples, or if you and a friend both buy them, I have some extra special offers, if you can even believe that. Reach out to me. What's my email? thelindabradley@gmail.com. All right? I hope to hear from you soon. You're going to love cooking with these products. I know I did.